Hello everybody, Tahoe yak fisher here, and we got a fish on. We are targeting Kokanee today, and I just dropped this in the water. So if we got a fish on, I'm going to be pretty excited. If my fish finder is right, there is a school so thick below me at about 75 feet that it's literally registering as hard bottom. Now the little ones can't fight the lead core. Oh, I got a fish on. Oh, I'm so excited. Come on, baby. I've been in and out of the water today quite a bit. Snagged the bottom, but this time I think we got a fish on. I caught one that I landed. I caught one that flipped off the hook. So this is my third that I have caught, but I've only landed one so far. Oh man, yeah, he's getting pissed. Come on. We're in 150 feet of water, and I had 9-ish colors out. Oh, we for sure got a fish on. Second to last color. Oh, he's really starting to try and fight. Come on, baby. All right, here comes the last color. We got orange. Oh, and he's really pulling now. Oh yeah. Here's our leader. And I see our fish. No! He just flipped off my hook. Second time. And he ate my corn. Darn it. So this is what just dropped into. I got this Dodger and I got this actually homemade Kokanee rig that I made with glass beads and these little rubber squiddies. So I'm gonna put some more corn on it, put it back in the water. We're gonna try again, because they hit that immediately. All right, tight lines, yak fisher out.